How can you convert this type of random Excel data into separate columns using a single prompt in ChatGPT? Hi everyone, welcome to an exciting video about data cleaning using ChatGPT. In this video, I will convert random Excel data into separate columns using a single prompt in ChatGPT. First, select the raw data and copy it. Now go to the ChatGPT, write down the prompt here like and paste the data and hit enter button. Let's wait for the process to complete. Here you can see that the data is sorted into 5 different columns. Now copy this data and paste it into an Excel sheet. To adjust column width, go to Format and click on Auto Fit Column Width. After that, press Ctrl+T and click on OK. Lastly, I align the data into center and add border. Here you can see the well-organized data. Let's repeat this process for another batch of the raw data. Again, I copy the data from Excel. Now in ChatGPT, I write the prompt and paste the copy data here and press enter. ChatGPT automatically separates the questions in column 1 and the answers in the next column. From here, I copy the data again and paste it into an Excel sheet. After that, likewise, I adjust the column width and I do some simple formattings. In this way, you can refine your data. If you found today's video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel to watch more content like this. Thank you.